We were discussing the units used for measurement of large objects. So today we are going to discuss units used for measurement of very small objects. Okay. So can we measure the thickness of human hair using meter scale? Or can we measure the size of virus using ruler? Definitely not. So for microscopic objects, even 1 meter is an extremely large unit. That's why scientists use much smaller units. The first unit in this category is micrometer. Symbol used for this is mu m. The Greek letter mu means micro. Mathematically, we can write 1 micrometer equals to 10 to the power minus 6 meters. That means 1 meter is divided into 1 million equal parts and one part is called 1 micrometer. Now think about the thickness of your hair. An average human hair is about 70 micrometers thick. Cells, bacteria and many tiny biological structures are also measured in micrometers. So whenever the object is visible only under a microscope but is still comparatively larger than viruses, we usually use the micrometer. Next unit in this category is nanometer. Symbol for nanometer is small n, small m. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. That means 1 meter is divided into 1 billion equal parts and one part is called nanometer. It is used for measuring extremely tiny objects like viruses, DNA molecules, wavelength of visible lights, etc. Wavelength of visible light roughly falls in the range of 400 to 700 nanometers. Modern nanotechnologies also work at this scale. Just imagine if a human hair is around 70,000 nanometers thick, then how much tiny a virus really is. Now next unit is angstrom. Symbol used for this is capital A with degree at top. 1 angstrom is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 10 meters. This unit is mainly used in atomic physics. Scientists measure atomic size, bond length between atoms using this unit. The diameter of hydrogen atom is approximately 1 angstrom. These units, nanometers and angstrom, are still widely used in chemistry and crystallography. Next unit in this category is Fermi meter, the smallest unit in our notes today. The symbol used for this is Fm. 1 Fermi means 10 raised to the power minus 15 meters. It means 1 meter is divided into 1 quadrillion equal parts and one part gives 1 Fermi. This unit is mainly used for measuring atomic nucleus, nuclear particles. For example, diameter of a proton is about 1 femtometer. Whenever physicists study nuclear physics, they usually use the femtometer or Fermi as units of measurement. Next part is metric prefixes. A prefix is a word added before a unit to represent multiplication or division by powers of 10. Instead of writing many zeros, we simply use prefixes. For larger numbers, we use prefixes like kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, etc. And for a smaller number, we use prefixes milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, atto. These are the memory tricks written here to memorize these prefixes. You can note them down. Thank you.